You type the correct password, but the app still says wrong. Not a bug, you just don't know what's happening behind the scenes. Watch this. It'll click in 30 seconds. You open an app, enter your username and password. Simple, but the moment you type input username equals Irfan and input password equals 1234 are created as variables, which are fast, temporary, and exist only while the app is running. Now the app doesn't trust your input, so it goes to its database, where your real data is stored permanently, and pulls your actual username and password. Then comes the only thing that matters, the check. If input username equals store username and input password equals stored password, login becomes true. And this decision happens using variables in memory, not inside the database, because the database only gives data, while variables actually process it and decide what happens next. So if the database already has the correct password, why not just log you in instantly? Because databases don't think. They only store and send data, while every decision, every condition, every check happens in variables, which is why the system works like this. Database gives data, variables process it. No variables means no decision. No database means no memory. Now imagine if apps only used variables. The moment you close the app, everything disappears. And if they only use databases, every action becomes slow and inefficient. This is why some apps feel smooth and some feel broken. It's not design, it's how they handle data. Final truth, database remembers who you are, variables decide what happens to you. And once you understand this flow, database to variables to decision, you stop memorizing code and start understanding it.